IM versus sub-Q injections. The bottom line is there's no logical reason to inject something sub-Q. This is something that the pharmaceutical companies and the doctors do, telling patients to inject sub-Q because they know most patients are too dumb to find a muscle and too fat to inject a muscle with an insulin syringe. So they just tell you to inject your stomach and it'll eventually get where it's going. And this is true, but that doesn't mean injecting in the muscle is bad. It just means that they assume you're too fat to inject in the muscle. So if I was to take a needle, this is an insulin syringe. This is the correct syringe to use for everything. There's no point to using the other ones. If I was to take up 20 milligrams of testosterone and then 2 units of GH and then inject it into my body, I can't inject them both sub-Q because the test is going to knot up under the skin. So I have to go in the muscle with the GH. If I was to draw up just GH and I wasn't doing multiple injections per day to get the best results, I was dumb. If you take 4 in one shot, that's fine. But if you're taking more than 4 units of GH per day, you'd want to be using multiple injections per day, about 6 hours apart, in which case you'd want it to be fast absorbing, so you'd want it to be in the muscle. I don't really understand why anyone's still doing sub-Q injections, and I have to answer these questions over and over again, and I hate it. It makes me hate my life.